students. So today we'll discuss, this is your English chapter, Jesse Owens. Okay, so this is chapter 6.2 and standard 6 English. Okay, so this is standard 6 English. So first question is read and find. So this is page number 153 to 154. So Jesse Owens, a real name was James Clavell and Owens. Next, question number 2. At school, Jesse was not given any scholarship. Then question number 3. In spite of spending a lot of time on the track, Jesse was always a good student. Then question number 4. After school, Jesse joined Ohio State University. Then question number 6. Hitler was angry when Jesse Owens, a black American, broke world records and won 4 gold medals. Then question number 7. Jesse and began his life as a sickly boy. Poor sickly boy. Then next, President Gerald Ford awarded Jesse the Medal of Freedom. Then true false. Berlin is in Germany. This is true. Jesse, question number 2. Jesse was a black American. True. Jesse was born in Cleveland, Ohio. No, false. Then the 1936 Olympics were held in Germany. This is true. Jesse had 7 brothers and 7 sisters. False. As a child, Jesse was often sick and skinny. This is true. Adolf Hitler refused to watch the Berlin Olympic. False. The Medal of Freedom is the highest honor for the American. True. Then comparison question. So third eye. So first is, who was Jesse Owens? Jesse Owens was a black American athlete. Then question number 2. What is Jesse Owens known for? He is known for the world record he set in athletes. So how can you say that Jesse was born in poor family? The whole Owens family had to work for their food. Little Jesse too had to work and pick cotton in the fields. So we can say Jesse was born in a poor family. So then next question number 4 is, how was Jesse Owens named changed to Jesse? Okay, so answer is, when Jesse joined a school, the teacher asked him his name. Jesse told his name, but the teacher misunderstood the name and wrote Jesse for Jesse. So this name stayed with Jesse all his life. So what amazing thing did Jesse do in Michigan? So here he broke 3 world records in running and jumping, Michigan. So question number 6, what did Hitler boast about? How was he proved wrong? So answer is, Hitler boasted that the German athletes were superior to all other in the world, but Jesse Owens, a black American, outdid the Germans at the Berlin Olympics in 1936. He broke 3 world records and won 4 gold medals. Thus, Hitler was proved wrong. Then question number 7. So how was Jesse treated in his own country after the Olympics? Jesse was not treated well. For being a black, he was not allowed to sit in restaurants reserved for the whites. He had to ride in the back of the city buses. The seats in the front were reserved for the whites. Then question number 8, what good thing happened in America in 1976? In 1976, Jesse Owens was given the honor he deserved. President Gerald Ford awarded him the Medal of Freedom, which is the highest honor for any American. So then word power, how many feet is a 100-meter race? So 328 feet. How many yard is a 200-meter race? To 180 yards. Which is a longer race? A 400-meter race. About how many meters is a long jump of 26 feet 9 meters? Question number 5. Is a 220-yard sprint longer or shorter than 220-meter sprint? Shorter. Next. So first is relay is a race between teams in which each member of the team run one section of the race. Athlete is a one who competes in sports such as running and jumping. Question number 3. Referee is an official who controls the game in such sports as hockey and football. Hurdles is a race in which the runners have to jump over a series of vertical frames. Sprint is a race in which those taking part run very fast over a short distance. Trainers are a pair of shoes that people wear for sports. Champion is a player or team that has won a competition, especially in a sport. Pavilion is a building next to sports ground used by players and people watching the game. Then grammar in use. This is page number 156. So you can see swimming is suitable for people for all ages. First of all, it keeps your body in good condition. Secondly, it can even improve your figure. Uh, Fortunately, swimming is a quite cheap or even free. If you can swim, you could ask someone to teach you. Then second I was lazy, so I became unfit. If I had not been lazy, I would not have become unfit. So question number 3, I ate junk food, so I put on weight. If I had not eaten junk food, I would not have put on weight. Question number 4, I was not fit, so I did not take part in the race. If I had been fit, I would have taken a part in the race. I did not take part in the race, so I was disappointed. If I had taken part in the race, I would not have been disappointed. Then next, this is this can listen, speak well, write well. You can write this letter. You can write in your copy. It is most important for you next. So then you can see. So that's it. End. So next chapter we will upload very soon. So till then, subscribe, share and like. Thank you.